Hello, welcome back. Today I'm sharing how to create this easy, sleek, low bun. It's such a beautiful hairstyle for every day, weddings, prom, or any special occasion. Let's get started. Now, for a sleek, soft finish, I love to use a mix of gel and hair oil. I apply this all throughout the crown and then smooth into a low ponytail with a soft bristle brush. I actually use a beard brush for this and then lock it in with a light mist of hairspray. Now, secure into a tight, low ponytail, I like to use a DIY hair bungee for an extra tight hold. Then apply more of the gel oil mix to the entire length of your ponytail for a more polished look. For the bun, divide your ponytail in 2 equal halves and tightly wrap the right side over the left, repeating all the way down until you've reached the bottom, and then secure. And I recommend securing into a bun shape. It makes it easier to pin. Now, you want your braid to be tight, so give it a twist till it feels tight, and then tightly wrap your braid counterclockwise using your left hand to anchor the base to make that bun shape. And then continue tightly wrapping your braid, wrapping underneath itself as you go. Amazing. Now secure the outside in place with bobby pins and polish off the look by gently smoothing oil over your twists and a light mist of shine spray. How simple yet beautiful, and I love how you can easily dress up this style with your favorite hair accessories like this bow. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked today's video. Don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.